Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your followers and following list on Instagram in 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now before we move on, you need to make sure your account is set to personal. If you see a professional dashboard at the top of your profile, that means you're using a business or creator account, which won't allow you to fully hide your followers list. To check or switch your account type, tap the three lines in the top right corner, scroll down, and tap on Account Type and Tools. If you see the option Switch to Professional Account, it means you're already using a personal account. Perfect. If not, go ahead and switch back to a personal account first. Once that's done, go back to your profile and tap the three lines again. From the menu, tap Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down to Who Can See Your Content and select Account Privacy. Now here's the key step. Turn on Private Account. This is the only way to hide your followers and following list from people who don't follow you. But what about people who already follow you? You can remove them by going to your followers list, tapping the three dots next to their name, and selecting Remove Follower. This will hide your followers, following list, posts, and stories from them completely. And that's it. To recap, switch to a personal account, turn on private mode, remove specific followers if needed. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.